The Landmark at the Gardens is a 3-tower full-service condominium community in the heart of Palm Beach Gardens. As one of the most desirable lakefront units at the Landmark, this 3-bedroom, 3-bath condo feels like a home with open living areas and a 400-square-foot wraparound balcony. Enjoy the scenic views of Lake Victoria and the surrounding landscape from your living and dining rooms. Entertain in style from your open kitchen, finished with upgraded granite countertops and matching custom-designed kitchen island. The 3rd bedroom is a designated home office, complete with hidden Murphy bed and convenient full bathroom. The 2nd bedroom allows guests a separate relaxing space, with the privacy of their own attached bathroom complete with shower tub combination and large vanity sink area with granite countertop. Designated laundry area with full-size washer and dryer, has bonus floor-to-ceiling cabinets and upgraded granite countertops. Retreat to the master bedroom with custom-built walk-in closet and designer-upgraded doors. The ensuite bathroom is comfortably appointed with glass-enclosed shower, jacuzzi, double-sink vanity, granite countertops and separate bathroom area. The open floor plan of the master bedroom allows you the space to have everything you need to create your own private sanctuary. Enjoy a restful night's sleep and awaken refreshed. Welcome the new day as you step out onto the balcony to enjoy your morning coffee and savor the beauty of the lake and park-like surroundings. The Landmark is a full-service building with resort-style amenities, offering 24-hour concierge, 24-hour valet, swimming pool and Sundeck, fitness center with his and her steam rooms, theater, library, social and game rooms, outdoor kitchen barbecue space, with putting green and bocce board areas. Live the lifestyle you deserve. Welcome home to the Landmark.